In this section, we're going to explore performance and latency. We're going to focus specifically on data processing and latency. Let's start off by exploring content delivery. From a content delivery perspective, it is important to distribute content across multiple regions in order to reduce latency. By distributing content across multiple regions, we're able to place that content closer to the end user. Most cloud platforms offer the ability to cache content at edge locations around the world. These content distribution network infrastructure can be quite useful in reducing latency. The other benefit of using a content distribution network is that the cost of serving content from an edge location is much cheaper than serving content from the backend. Serving content from the backend requires a lot more processing resources at the backend, and the data traverses a much longer path in order to be served to the end user. Some cloud providers offer intelligent load balancers that will automatically route requests to regions based on where the end user is located. Additionally, these load balancers work alongside health checks to ensure that end user requests are only routed to services that are available and have sufficient capacity to serve the request. Having explored content delivery, let's take a look at data processing. In other words, what are the performance optimizations that we can implement when processing data? One of the things we can do, and this is highly recommended, is to allocate data processing to multiple machines. In fact, I would extend this by saying allocate data processing to a pool of machines that are configured elastically. Additionally, performance can also be maximized by storing data close to the processing nodes. And where machines are in the same zones or in the same data center facility, latency can be significantly reduced. It is definitely worth paying attention to the cloud provider's pricing strategy because many cloud providers may not charge for data transfer within a data center facility. And some cloud providers may not charge a transfer fee to cloud services within a single region or within a single data center facility. This concludes our discussion on performance and latency considerations related to content delivery as well as data processing. In subsequent modules, we're going to take a look at cloud services that enable us to implement some of the concepts we've discussed in this section.